Children, sixth one we had to take up. During a sale, shop offered a discount of 10% on the mark price of all the items. What would be the customer have to pay if they take a pair of jeans which is marked 450 and two shirts which have been marked at as 850 each? Okay, so mark price of jeans is this. Two shirts have been taken 850 each, so 850 into 2, that means for shirt the total mark price comes out to be 1700. Okay, and सब में 10% डिस्काउंट देना था हमें, तो हम पहले टोटल सम कर लेते हैं कितना हो गया मार्क प्राइस ऑफ ऑल द आइटम्स. सो टोटल मार्क प्राइस इज 1450 प्लस 1700 which is 3150. Now discount is always on the mark price, children. Okay, so discount was given as 10%. Discount will be 10%, means 10 upon 100 into mark price. Mark price we have evaluated as this. So finding 10% of this is coming out to be 315. Now the customer will have to pay, जो भी mark price होती है उसमें discount means इतना less कर दिया आपके लिए, तो वो आप minus कर दोगे. Okay, so mark price minus the discount means the customer will have to pay for one jeans and two shirts itna amount. Right, now the seventh one says a milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. One he made a gain of 5%, the other a loss of 10%. You have to find his overall gain or loss. Okay, so वैसे ही जैसे अभी पहले भी हमने किया था, टू अलग अलग चीज़ें थी, टीवी वीसीआर. यहाँ पे हमारे पास one buffalo, second buffalo. Cost price, selling price of both of them is the same. The first ones is 20,000 and so is the other ones. Okay, then इसमें हमारा 5% गेन हुआ है, इसमें 10% लॉस हुआ है. तो गेन, एक्चुअल गेन हम निकालेंगे which is gain upon gain percent into CP. This will give you the actual gain, and gain can also be obtained as SP minus CP. Okay, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे SP पता है, अभी CP हमें निकालना है, तो CP we do not know, we are assuming that CP as X. So gain percent, that is 5% of CP is equal to SP minus CP. ये भी gain का फॉर्मूला है और ये भी gain का फॉर्मूला है, actual gain का. Okay, so we can equate these two. Then this gives you cancelling 5 20s are, so x upon 20, ये इधर जाएगा, plus x is equal to 20,000. So taking LCM, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20x is equal to 20,000, or from here x 20 will be cross multiplied, 21 will come to the denominator. So ये cancel exactly तो होगा नहीं, तो we are leaving it as this only, decimal में convert करना छोड़ के. So multiplying this, so 4 lakh upon 21, ये cost price आ गई पहले बफेलो की. ऐसे ही हम सेकंड का भी निकाल लेंगे कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस वाज नोन, लॉस परसेंट वाज नोन, एंड लॉस, एक्चुअल लॉस इज लॉस परसेंट ऑफ CP एंड ऑल्सो CP माइनस SP. लॉस तब होता है जब CP बढ़ा दो, तो CP माइनस SP, एंड गेन में SP माइनस CP. Okay, so that was 10%, 10 upon 100 into x, and here x minus 20,000. So this taking LCM becomes x minus 10, which is minus 9, x upon 10 is equal to, ये x इधर जाएगा, so it will become negative x. अच्छा, that we have already done. This will be left as negative of 20,000. So negative negative balance हो गए दोनों तरफ, cancel out. So x will be this much into 10 upon 9. अगेन ये एग्जैक्टली कैंसिल नहीं होगा, तो आप इसको डिनोमिनेटर को एज 9 ही रहने दो. मल्टीप्लाई दिस. सो नाउ यू नो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ बोथ द बफेलोज. सो टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस, you add these two. Okay, so for adding, yeah, 21 9, you'll have to take the LCM, 63. So this is coming as your total CP. Now total SP also, SP तो दोनों का सेम था, तो डबल भी कर सकते हो, या 20 plus 20 40,000 हो गया. Now I have converted it to upon 63, क्योंकि हमें फिर आगे इनका डिफरेंस करना है, तो उसके लिए LCM लेना ही पड़ेगा, तो मैंने पहले ही कर लिया. ओके, सो 40,000 which is multiplying both by numerator and denominator by 63, तो upon 63, एंड इसको हमने 40,000, so 1 2 3 4 zeros as it is, and 3 we've multiplied it by 63, so 4 3s are 12 and 4 6s are 24 plus 1 25. ये हमारा टोटल SP आ गया. Okay, now clearly from here we can see which is greater. This is cost price, this is selling price. Cost price बड़ा है, तो if cost price is greater, that means we have suffered a loss. So CP is greater than SP, therefore loss will be the difference of the two, CP minus SP. This was your CP, this was your SP. Subtraction, this would give you the loss. Okay, but आपको loss percent करना था, तो loss percent कैसे निकलता है? Loss upon CP into 100. So this was your loss upon CP was this into 100. 63 63 cancel हो जा रहा है, 0 0 जितना भी cancel हो रहा है, left over this much percent is your loss percent. Okay, now children, I am doing it by taking x. वैसे आपने if you have seen the solved example, उसने आपको ready-made formulas भी दिए होंगे कुछ. Okay, like SP is equal to CP 1 plus gain percent upon 100, and SP mark price के terms में is mark price 1 plus sale tax upon 100 and all those formulas. So if you want to do it by that, you can, but इतने formulas retain करने becomes difficult. Okay, so that is why I do it by taking x out here, so that अगर आपको by chance वो फॉर्मूला नहीं भी याद है तो आप ये लॉजिकली हो जाती हैं ये चीज़ें, तो देख के समझ में आता है. ओके, CP बढ़ा आ रहा है, SP, so all that you can do it like that. Okay, and we know कि it is always, whether we are talking about gain or loss, it is always upon CP. ओके, परसेंट, हमें कोई भी परसेंट से एक्चुअल निकालना है तो इट इज़ ऑफ द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू और ऑफ CP और ऑफ मार्क प्राइस. तो बेसिक भी अगर हमें याद है तो बाय टेकिंग एक्स एंड ऑल वी कैन do it without learning all those formulas. So it's upon you. If you find mugging up the formulas and applying them, you can do that way also. Okay, now for the next 8th one, what was given to us here? 8th question, they have given the price of TV is 13,000. Sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. You have to find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys that. Okay, so simple enough. आपको straight away पता है इसमें mark price and then discount minus होता है, वो आपको मिलता है, sales tax आपको देना पड़ता है. Okay, तो discount minus होगा, sales tax add होगा. That's it. So, but it is and both of them are on MPs. Okay, so this is your 12%. We will find the actual by multiplying it by MP. So sales tax upon 100 into MP. That's the tax you need to pay. So tax इसमें add हो जाएगा. So you will have to pay this much amount. Okay, that was a simple one. Okay, then 9th one is saying that Arun bought pair of skates at a sale when there was a discount of 20%, then he paid amount 1600 for that. You have to find the mark price. Okay, so अभी यहाँ पे mark price known नहीं है, लेकिन हमें calculation सब mark price में करना होता है, तो we'll assume the mark price as x. So let the mark price be x, then the discount which is 20%, actual निकालना है तो 20% of mark price ही होता है, so 20% of x होगा. So 20% of x comes out to be x upon 5, cancelling. All right. Now the amount that is to be paid is mark price minus discount. तो mark price हमने x assume किया था, discount accordingly हमारा x upon 5 आ गया है, and amount that was paid was given to us as 1600. So this 1600 should be equal to x minus x upon 5. Taking LCM, 5x minus x, that is 4x upon 5. So from here x निकालना था हमें, mark price बताना था, तो x के लिए 5 यहाँ जाएगा, 4 नीचे आएगा. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 2000 is the marked price. Sorry, I've written amount paid out here by mistake. This is actually the mark price. Hence the mark price is rupees 2000.